Good afternoon, everyone. I will be speaking in favor of SFIs will be remain in the domain of VR surgeons. Any VR surgeon or any surgeon has should follow some basic thumb rules that these are very pertinent to the SFIL particularly. Even though it is a 2-point fixations or 200 rupees surgery, I will say that it requires almost 2 hours skills which are acquired by the surgeon. First thumb rule is that the best surgeon should know when to stop and when to use his knife. If you don't have any armamentarium, you don't fight, wait for a proper help. If you are should not do the experiments in a panic state. Commitment of the surgeon should be to the vision and not to the IOL. Consider every patient is your own beloved one. Have thorough training under expert and then start doing some new procedures. Otherwise, leave it to the others. And in such situations, honesty pays, and there won't be any bad publicity about you. Next slide. These are the cases where they are properly sent by the anterior segment surgeon to the VR surgeons. Here you can see that they are sent they stop at proper time and handed it over to the surgeon. Otherwise, if you start experiment in a panic state, you can always create an accident. Here you can see that the lens has been fallen and there are no haptics to come out also. This is the case where the vitreous is in the anterior chamber and it requires a VR surgeon to do the good job. You know that now my opponent, Dr. Shakin Singh, is the expert in a PECO surgeon, but now after PC rent and drop nucleus, it is no more a PECO 15 minutes PECO surgeon. It requires a professional driver on the road which are less driven, and this professional drivers almost take 1.5 years VR fellowship, and they can drive you through the various situations like this. You can do the SFIL in such situations. Here you can see that this is the case of opaque IOL. While doing the surgery itself, you can come out with the bag and should be prepared to do the SFIL itself. These are the commitments of the IOL surgeons to put the IOL in any scenario. You can see that they have put the multifocals in the vitreous loss also, and posterior chamber lenses in the anterior chamber, and somehow some people have put the 2 lenses also, but they are committed also to the IOL itself. But you should know that your limitations and should not touch such types of cases. Here in the trauma cases also, there are various types of additional pathologies which should be taken care by the VR surgeons. While doing, you create such types of tears, and they should be managed by the VR surgeons only. There is one thumb rule which I have learned during my vitreoretinal fellowship is that first you should do the thorough vitrectomy and then do the lens removals or IOL explantation, which is not by doing the anterior vitrectomy only, where you are keeping and leaving lots of vitreous behind. If you are leaving lots of vitreous behind, then this can lead to the PVD induction and creates a breaks and retinal detachment, as well as it is a source of lots of vitreous and debris remaining can cause the cystoid macular edema, ERMs, macular holes, and if you are not able to do the good scleral tunnels or plaques, then they can lead to the infections. Here you can see that one of the case where the scleral flaps were not done good and the infection has been occurred. You can see the plug and underlying the Gore-Tex suture is exposed, which we have to cover it with the scleral patch graft later on. So in a nutshell, that any procedure requires lots of training to excel. For PECO itself, you need 100 to 200 surgeries to be done, while SFIL also requires lots of training, and a general ophthalmologist which is having thousands of PECO surgeries is having less exposure to the SFIL, and they will not be excel to the greatest results. This is how we can do it, and you should be very generous to and sporty to send the such cases to the VR surgeons. This is for my next speaker, Dr. Shakin Singh, that ये सबसे जीवन का बड़ा सत्य है कि अपना काम से काम रखना दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल काम है, फिर भी ये करना पड़ता है. Thank you very much for kind listening.